Hello friends, in this video we are going to learn about the variants of column chart. Column chart have the following subtypes within PowerPoint: clustered column, stacked column, 100% stacked column, 3D clustered column, 3D stacked column, 3D 100% stacked column, cylinder charts, cone charts, and pyramid charts. Clustered column chart. A clustered column chart compares values across categories and display values in 2D vertical rectangles. The below chart shows the example of clustered column chart. Just an example, let us see how to insert clustered column chart. Go to Insert tab, click on Charts appearing under Illustration tab. Select clustered column chart and then click on OK. Now we can enter our data points in the Excel sheet appearing. Once the data entry is done, we can customize our chart by formatting the various chart elements such as font, fill color, axis title, legend, etc. Stacked column. Stacked column charts shows the relationship of individual items to the whole, comparing the contribution of each value to a total across categories and displays values in 2D vertical stacked rectangles. The below chart shows the example of stacked column chart. 100% stacked column. 100% stacked column charts compares the percentage that each value contributes to a total across categories, displaying value in 2D vertical 100% stacked rectangles. Refer the below chart capped to 100% in each series. 3D charts. You might notice that we keep on mentioning 2D vertical rectangles everywhere, which means PowerPoint provides 3D display of column charts. The first one is 3D clustered column chart. 2D charts can be simply converted into 3D charts by selecting the graph and changing the chart type using right click option. Watch the below steps. The next 3D chart is stacked column chart. Now let us see how to convert 2D chart into 3D chart. Right click on the chart, go to change chart type, select the appropriate option and then click OK. Here we are going to select 3D stacked column chart. The next 3D chart is 100% stacked column chart. Here also the 3D chart can be directly created or we can convert a 2D chart into 3D chart by changing the chart type in right click option. See how simply we have converted a 2D chart into 3D chart. Cylinder, cone and pyramid charts. The cylinder, cone and pyramid charts are available in same clustered, stacked, 100% stacked and 3D chart types that are provided for regular column charts, and they show and compare the data in the same way. The only difference is that these chart types display cylinder, cone and pyramid shapes instead of rectangles. Now I will make you visualize the regular and all other three charts in single page. You can see the visual appearance of rectangle, cylinder, cone and pyramid charts here. See the difference and how beautifully it is looking. Thanks for watching the video. Continue watching our videos.